Good morning, Sergeant Richardson.
Good morning, sir. How you doing?
Very well. I'm going to start letting them in.
The 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Sean Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no talking, eating, sleeping, no drinking, no driving. And please make sure all devices are on mute until your case is called.
Good morning. All right, good morning, everyone. What I'm going to do is the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. You ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Sharon Latrice Green, case number SP 1722817, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Green. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, Ms. Green, good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Sharon Latrice Green.
Today's date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Ms. Green, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Soroki. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Find the room, let us know what you want to do when you come out. City of Detroit versus Riley, SP 1659471. Mr. LeVar, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. You need to unmute yourself now.
I'm so sorry. Riley LeVar.
Good morning to you. Today is date and time set for you. You were ordered to pay $240. I see that you paid that amount.
Yes.
And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, ma'am. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, Golson, I'm waiting on probation to come down, okay? Is Jose Green here?
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. All right, Mr. Green, you're not set to be here until the 25th. Jose Angel Green?
Yes. I had 2 court dates, I believe.
All of your dates here seem to be on one date. That would be July the 25th. Jose Angel Green, July the 25th at 8:45.
Okay.
If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you. You too, Your Honor.
Yes. This is the city of Detroit. This is Anitra Lester, case number SP 7184421. Forgive me, ma'am, if I mispronounce your name.
Anissa Lester.
Anitra Lester, right?
Yes.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a show cause, I believe, Mr. Barry. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lester.
Anissa Lester.
It's set for a pretrial. Today's date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Lester, Mr. Berry is going to speak with you in the breakout room. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
I'll put you in the breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Just pass the matter.
Okay.
Chris, can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please? Good morning to you. Good morning. What's your name, sir?
Rashawn Lundy Mays. Rashawn Lundy Mays.
Very well. Chris, good morning to you. What is your name, please, sir?
Christopher Gray.
Christopher
I'm here
Green.
attorney in fact for the special, I'm special appearance attorney in fact for Gray Christopher.
Say, what is that? Christopher, good morning to you. Christopher.
Good morning.
Gray or Green?
Gray, G-R-A-Y.
G-R-A-Y. All right. All right, I'm waiting on a lawyer. Is Destiny Gilbert here? Is Raphael Griffin here? All right, Ray Lewis.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor. Raven Lewis.
That's Raven Lewis, okay. Good morning to you.
I'm sorry.
No, I said good morning to you. Let me see, Ms. Lewis. How do you spell the Raven for me, please? How do you spell Raven?
Raven.
All right, okay, J45, very good. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, he has valid documentation. Counts are being dismissed and the people are going to amend the speeding ticket to impeding traffic. I can stipulate to the face of the complaint for a factual basis.
All right, you want to take the deal, Ms. Green?
Yes.
All right, with that stipulation, I'll find your client responsible for the account of blocking traffic. And stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
Thank you, Your Honor.
With those $175, Ms. Green, when can you pay?
At least give me, so like the first week of August.
I'll give you 30 days. Pay it in August 18th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse, pay it in person. Those are the two best ways that I can tell you to pay it. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
The city of Detroit versus Raven Sierra Lewis. Case numbers SP 1266426, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1267751, SP 1279350, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 129557, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1306638, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1310268, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1325253, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1399681, SP 1669861.
Your Honor, I seem not to have privileges.
Should. SP 1669913, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Raven Lewis.
All right, Ms. Lewis, will you again state your name for the record, please?
Raven Lewis.
All right, there's date and time set for a show cause and probably show cause for the purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
Your Honor, we're going to waive the formal reading of the information, stand mute to the charges.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I see 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 cases on the docket. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 cases into the record. So 2 of which are a disregard of a red signal and failure to use due care and caution, civil infraction. And a third one is a no proof of insurance. I don't see where the other case is, but with all these cases, I don't know. That's gonna really matter. Ms. Lewis, Ms. Soroki is gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you do have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
We'll pass the matter. So what are we doing with Gates? This is set for a review. Frank Eugene Gates. Mr. Gates, are you there? All right, you have to unmute yourself, or you have to adjust your volume on accordingly. You're unmuted. Must be something wrong. Lights.
Hello. Good morning, Your Honor. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Give me 1 second.
All right.
William's iPhone, I just let you in the room. Good morning to you. What is your full name, please?
William Daquan Goodwin.
All right, good morning to
You
you.
on this one when you're done with your route. It's not too far from where you're at. It's like maybe 6 minutes.
Mr. Goodwin, you're gonna have to turn your background noise off, please.
Hello?
Yeah, you have some background noise. That's I'm trying to find your case. Morning, Mr. Dupree.
Morning, Your Honor. How are you?
All right. Your client is here, Mr. Dupree.
Thanks,
All
Judge.
right. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Frank Eugene Gates. Case number SP 159023001. Mr. Gates, state your name for the record, please. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Frank Eugene Gates.
All right. And you had some people here that were representing on your behalf from the Veterans Hospital, I believe.
Yes, sir.
Can they put their appearance on the record, a name on the record, please? Daniel Cusciari.
Yes, Judge, thank you. Sarah Tess Hanna from the Detroit VA.
Good morning, Honorable Judge. Daniel Cusciari, Veterans Justice Outreach Coordinator with the Detroit VA on behalf of Mr. Gates.
Very well. Today is, good morning to both of you. Today is the date and time set for a review. Mr. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. Did you complete those 12 hours of community service?
I did, Your Honor.
And who did you complete those with? Here from me.
I believe her name was Tanya Moody, and it was at a church. I believe it was on Puritan near Southfield Freeway.
And did you turn those hours back in so that we can get verification? Do you have?
I don't remember turning them in. I do have the document. I can get that uploaded or emailed over.
All right.
I believe Miss Moody did, but I'm not sure.
Pardon me?
I believe Miss Moody said that she turned them in or mailed them in or something like that, but I'm not entirely sure she did. But I have a copy of it.
Let's see what you have.
Okay.
Oh, it is a compliance letter. You're in compliance, so that we appreciate your community service. People from gay, you want to.
Right.
I have too much background noise. Mr. Christopher Green, I muted you. You have to keep your device muted until we call your name, please. Mr. Christopher Gray, I'm sorry. Okay, so I'll allow the people from the Veterans Veteran Hospital of Detroit, Ms. Hannah, to speak if you want to say something on behalf of Mr. Gates.
Certainly, Judge. Thank you. I'm going to default to my colleague, Mr. Kusheri, as he is the lead VJO on this case.
Okay, very good.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Daniel Kasheri from the VA hospital. So Mr. Gates is entirely compliant with Veterans Treatment Court. He is engaged and under the supervision of 28th District Southgate. We are in the process of helping him transfer additional matters under that judiciary so that all of his outstanding matters can be under one supervision. But the documentation that I provided you is confirmation that he's compliant with all of his treatment and that problem-solving court with all of the UDS ETGs, in addition to all of the treatment that he's expected to do under that supervision. And he's entirely compliant. I would be happy to either link with probation if you want to keep the case at 36th and we can just communicate with probation in Detroit to confirm ongoing compliance, or if you wanted to transfer the case to 28th District for their supervision, I would defer to the court. But either way, 28th District would be happy to supervise him with respect to the outstanding matter in your jurisdiction. Thank you, Judge.
Very good. Well, I'll tell you this, I'm glad to see Mr. Gates that you are on the pathway and you're on you are sober and you're continuing your sobriety. Again, I told you we'll be praying for you that that you can maintain that sobriety, and with the agreement that you entered into with the court the last time was you get these 12 hours of community service done, and we'll dismiss this case upon completion. I have verification that you completed the community service hours. So for that, we're going to dismiss this matter and wish you the best of luck in your journey. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor, and I appreciate the prayers as well.
All right, very well, and thank you, Mr. Kushiyari and Ms. Hannah for your support.
Thank you so much, Judge. Take care.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
Are we ready on Ms. Lester, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
And let's go back on the record with Ms. Lester. Ms. Lester, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what you want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's current offer, which is to plead as charged to the open alcohol violation on the basis of a 6-month delayed sentence.
Okay, you want to take the deal, ma'am?
Do you have it? Do you have it?
Ms. Lester, you want to take the deal?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Say that one more time.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Oh, wow.
You didn't know that, did you?
No. My first offense, I don't have a bad record on me. Like, I don't.
No, I see that, ma'am. I'm just giving you what the maximum possible penalty is. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes. Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Pardon me?
Did Mr. Berry go over your other advice or rights in the breakout room?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Being honest, no, I don't.
All right, Mr. Berry, go back in there and go over those rights with Ms. Lester again. And Ms. Lester, if you have any questions about those rights, make sure that each one of those rights, if you have any questions about them, you inquire about that with Mr. Berry. All right, he'll explain them to you. Okay.
Okay.
I will pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Raven Lewis. Ms. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
You know, I was going to ask the court to give her an opportunity and allow her to pay the reinstatement fees and set her for pretrial.
Ms. Lewis, you have these tickets are pretty old. Are you working, ma'am?
Not currently. I'm currently pregnant. I'm due in October.
All right, based on that, I will allow you to pay the reinstatement fees up front. I see that you owe 3 reinstatement fees that are affecting your ability to get a license. That's $45 a piece. My calculation is $135. But with the understanding that you're gonna have to pay these tickets in full. This is just a remedy for you to get a valid driver's license.
Okay.
I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions, but here, these 3 tickets are affecting your ability to get a license with the 36th District Court. So what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to come down to the courthouse. There's no better way that I can allow you to pay these reinstatement fees. You're gonna have to come down to the courthouse and present yourself at the window and pay the money up front. Once you pay the money, go to the Secretary of State and see if they'll give you a valid driver's license. If they do not give you a valid driver's license, then you need to ask them for a printout. They should give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license. I'm gonna give you until August 1st, 2025 at 8:30 to get this done. If you don't have any further questions, ma'am, you understand what you need to do?
Can I get a little bit more time than that?
It's not much more time that you can get.
That was just to get to Secretary of State and pay the reinstatement fees.
So
Entirely
that's
the
to pay
tickets
the
have to
one.
be paid at a later date, but they don't have to be paid immediately.
Okay, so that's to pay the 135.
Yes, that's what.
Okay.
And so you're asking for more time.
I can. I can do by then.
See what I'm gonna say. You're asking for more time, but this is, you were here 5 months ago. And you didn't take care of anything. So you're gonna have to start taking care of this stuff. I'm not gonna continue to allow you to miss court dates, and I'm not gonna continue to try to bend over backwards for you to get this stuff together. I've done it already.
Understanding.
Okay?
Understanding.
All right. August 1st, 2025 at 8:30, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
All right, appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, we need Ms. Lester back in the 2.
Ms. Lester, can you join the breakout room, please?
Okay, so what do I do? Leave.
Send you the prompt again. All right. I'll get Ms. Lewis started with Ms. Soroki, and then I'll take the retained matters. This is the city of Detroit versus Dela Siobhan Lewis, case number SP 1722713, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1722781, SP 1742222, counts 1 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, BF Adela Lewis.
Ms. Lewis, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Dela Lewis.
All right, today is the date and time set for a, we'll call it a pre-trial, but an arraignment. She does have 2 other tickets that are both civil infractions. So she paid one, no insurance proof. I don't know if that's been paid or if that was closed out administratively. That was paid, and she had 2 other civil infractions that went along with that. This Soroki, an expired plate and a defective windshield. So add that to the offer.
Okay.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Ms. Lewis. Ms. Soroki's gonna work on this for you and try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, let's pass them out.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Yes. I'm not sure what to do over this phone. Do I stay in or what?
Go down to the bottom of the screen, ma'am, and you should have a button, a more button there or something. You should be able to hit that button, and that room is always going to be open to you.
Okay, so what I do? Hit the button that says what?
It should hit a more. Do you see a more button? And it should pop up breakout room, join breakout room.
Okay, join breakout room.
Yes.
Okay.
D52648.
Okay. She just needs to zoom in.
We would also.
All right, who are we ready on? Good morning to you, Mr. Bachman. Who are we ready on?
Judge, we're ready on Mr. Lightheart, Gary Janadia.
All right, good morning to you. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus John Lightheart. Case numbers SP 1725838, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 172692441, SP 172692442, SP 1726949, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1726951, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Gary Janadia on behalf of Mr. Lightheart.
Can you put your P number on the record, Mr. Janae? Good morning to you.
47999.
All right, Mr. Lightheart, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, John Lightheart.
Lightheart, okay.
I forgot I mispronounced it.
Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. What does Mr. Lightheart want to do, Mr. Janae?
Judge, we're going to set it for trial at this time.
All right. Trial date is going to be August the 4th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, the both of you have a very good rest of your day. Always good to see you, Mr. Janadian, and best of luck to you, Mr. Leader.
Thank you, Judge. And we'll be on Zoom that day. Is that correct?
It's like Burger King. You have it your way.
Thank you. We'll be on Zoom.
All right. Very good.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank
Good morning,
you.
Judge.
Good morning.
We're all set on Mr. Gielan. The officer didn't show.
This is the city of Detroit versus Talal Gilan, case number SP 174-23311. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning again, Judge Danny Batty appearing on behalf of Mr. Gielan, P84624, asking the court to waive Mr. Gielan's appearance for today, Judge.
And you're retained counsel, right?
That's correct, Judge.
The authority to enter into any agreement on Mr. Gielan's behalf, correct?
Judge, I did have an opportunity to talk with the city attorneys. My understanding that their officer did not appear. I'd respectfully request a dismissal on this matter at this time, Judge.
All right, very well. I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss. I'll also grant the motion to waive the presence. I'll grant the motion to dismiss. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. And best of luck to you.
Thank you, Judge. Take care.
On the telephone, 926-9241. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Hello?
313-926-9241. Good morning. What is your name?
Cedric Logan.
Hello. Cedric. All right. All right. Good morning, Mr. Logan.
How you doing?
Hello. Yes, who keeps saying hello? All right. Are we ready on anyone? Mr. Dupree?
Judge, we're ready on Jacob Garner.
Hello.
Hello? Ms. Tucker, are you here for, what are we doing with this city?
Mr. Golston, Rodney Golston.
Yeah, okay, I got you. Good morning
Yes.
to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Jacob Lee Garner Jr., case number SP 165-82901. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, P 0132 for the defendant. Mr. Garner, your name, please.
Jacob Lee Garner Jr.
All right, what are we here for?
Judge, we're here today for defendant's post-disposition motion for an order for the return of his firearm. This case was dismissed. I talked to Ms. Schneider before letting the court know it was ready. She told me that she'd contacted the Detroit Police Department to tell them to reissue this if they didn't want to return the gun. They never replied. They did not reissue. She takes no position on the motion. DPD will not return the gun without an order from this court, notwithstanding the fact that it's being held as evidence for a case that's been dismissed. We would ask for that order now.
All right, where is the file? Because I believe I saw the order. Do we have Jacob Garner's file? I believe I saw the motion.
Judge, I don't know that there is a proposed order in the file, but I can email one over to the clerk momentarily.
That must not be for this case. All right, Mr. Lee, have you, has he had any other instances with this firearm or with any firearm in any other jurisdictions?
Excuse me, can you repeat that?
Have you had any other issues with any firearms in any other jurisdictions since this
No,
case?
sir. No, Your Honor.
How old are you, sir?
Just turned 22, Your Honor.
No, I know the case is, why was the case dismissed?
Failure of the officer to appear.
It wasn't dismissed on its merits. I know that the allegation is that he's discharging his firearm. That stuff is very disturbing to me. I'm gonna give it a couple days to decide on whether I want him to have his firearm back or not.
Very well, Judge. Does the court want to set a return date?
Uh,
For what it's worth, Judge, I know you only wanted a couple days, but as a result of current docket congestion issues, my next availability is August the 6th.
Was cold.
All right, give me some, I need to know some more background information for what Mr. Gardner's doing with himself. I just need to know more about you, sir. Because, no, I don't want you to tell me I want you to put it to your attorney and I want to hear from your attorney. And when you come back, I'm gonna be asking you some questions about that. But actually, I'm just tired of it. Everybody's tired of it. And I see that your case was dismissed, although it wasn't dismissed on the merits. It was dismissed procedurally. Everybody's tired of this discharging these firearms. Period. These young people with these firearms anyway are making terrible decisions. So,
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Dupree, you said August the 6th.
That would be
won't
my
do
next return date.
We won't do it August the 6th because that's a community court date. Give me another date.
Judge, would August the 14th work?
August the 14th. So, but between that time, give me some background information on this young man, as comprehensive as it can be, and I'll make the decision on August the 14th whether you get this gun back. All right.
Understood, Your Honor.
All right. If there's nothing further, Mr.
Yeah, I was
Garner,
talking to the lady.
have a
I'm trying to
very
figure out how to turn my.
just talking. You have to mute your device. Everybody mute their devices, please. All right, except for Mr. Garner, Mr. Dupree. All right, August the 14th at 8:30, 8:25. If I get the information, then I'll make a decision on that date. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you both. Be safe and have a very good rest of your day, unless you have something else to Mr. Dupree.
I've got a couple other matters, Judge, but they won't be ready for another 4 minutes. We're waiting to see if officers appear.
Very well.
Mr. Garner, you can log off.
Yes, sir.
Let's go call the City of Detroit versus Rodney Franklin Golston Sr., case number Z799851. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shantia Tucker on behalf of the Probation Department.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Golston.
Well, this is a review.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Golston, are you there? If you are, press *6 to unmute yourself, or if you're on the phone, Where's Mr. Golson? Where he is. All right, he doesn't seem to be in the room anymore. All right, Ms. Tucker, let me ask you this. What is your position on this case?
Just some background history with it, Judge. So on May 19th of 2017, the defendant was sentenced to probation in order to complete the MAD Victims Impact Panel, alcohol highway safety education, attend outpatient treatment, pay all traffic tickets in full, watch the consequences video. It does look like during the duration of his probation, he has went into warrant status a couple times. There was a review on July 21st of 2023, in which he at that time, he did not satisfy any of his conditions of probation. At that time, the court did close out the probation part, and they left the case open for payments only. So he was just to make payments to the court, and then it would be closed without improvement. And then he went into warrant status again, never made a payment, looks like up until July 17th of 2025, there was a $50 payment applied. And that's pretty much what we're here for.
All right. Mr. Golston, are you there? He's in. Hello? Golston.
Hello?
Well, yes, state your name, Mr. Golston, for the record, please. All right, it doesn't appear that he's gonna ever pay. The court's just gonna really have to go after him civilly for the money. So I don't think we need to do anything further with this case. If it's already been closed out and it's just payment, then the court will just they'll just have to go get their money civilly from him if they can. All right, Ms. Tucker, thank you very much and be safe. Good to see you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
No problem. Thank you, Your Honor. You do the same.
Excuse me, hasn't talked to me.
All right, let's go with
Ready as to Ms. Lester, Your Honor.
let's go back to Ms. Lester. Ms. Lester, you understand what's going on now?
Yes.
You understand that you have some rights in this case? You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand that you have some other rights as well?
Yes.
Did Mr. Berry go over those rights with you?
Yes.
Are you now clear on those rights, ma'am?
Yes.
Do you have any questions, more questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Pardon me?
Do you know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Plead not guilty.
No, man, if you're gonna plead not guilty, you can't take this plea. I'm not confident that she understands what's going on, Mr. Berry.
Well, I'm a little baffled myself, but we can certainly set the matter for trial, Your Honor, and we'd ask for the appointment of an attorney.
All right, Miss Lester.
Yes.
All right. Do you understand what's going on?
Yes.
You just indicated that you want to plead not guilty. Is that what you want to do?
Because matter of the alcohol, I understand that I was in the vehicle with the alcohol or whatever, but the fact that it's not, it wasn't mine. So
all right, let's set the matter for trial. I'm going to get an attorney appointed to you, Miss Lester.
okay.
So you can speak with the lawyer, and you can have an individual lawyer appointed to you, okay?
Okay.
I need a good phone number from you, ma'am. I need a good phone number from you.
Yes.
What is a good phone number that somebody can reach you at?
586. Am I allowed to say my number over the phone?
If you don't want to say it over the phone, you can put it in the chat to me.
No, I might as well just say it.
All right.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, it's 586-241-9056.
All right. I'm gonna have an attorney reach out to you. I'm gonna have you back on August the 1st, 2025 for a pretrial date. That date is set just to make sure that that attorney reached out to you.
Okay.
I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney on August the 1st, when you come back, I'm gonna get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any further questions, ma'am?
No, sir.
All right, if it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
And thank you so much for being patient with me. You have a blessed day as well.
Thank you, very welcome. Have a good day, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Chanel Denise Lee, case numbers SP 17276-451, SP 17276-701, SP 17276-741. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lee.
Chanel Denise Lee.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date set for a pretrial, Mr. Berry. Give Ms. Lee an updated offer. Ms. Lee, keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Have a conversation with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Let's pass the matter.
Your
Let's go
Honor.
back.
Excuse me, Judge, this is Corporal Whitehead. I need to check into another courtroom. Can I do that?
You may.
Okay, I'll be right back. Thank you. I got to check into Judge Ramsey's courtroom and I'll be back.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lewis. Ms. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I did speak with the city attorney. At this time, the city attorney is willing to dismiss the defective windshield, and she's also going to give her the option. The plea would be the light violations being amended to blocking traffic, and she would admit the expired plate as a civil infraction. All other counts are being dismissed.
Is that what you want to do, ma'am?
Yes.
Right. Stipulate to the face of the tickets as an accurate factual basis for that
So
responsible.
So stipulated.
Make the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated.
I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for the disregard of red signal. And I am going to find your client responsible as charged to the expired plate. I'll dismiss the other matters. I'm only going to fine you for one, the blocking traffic, $175. You did pay that no insurance. When can you pay it, man? $175. Ms. Lewis? You're unmuted. Is that a bonnet you have on your head, man?
I'm sorry, yeah.
I don't do the bonnets. Take the bonnet off.
Don't worry about it. Hold on.
All right. When can you pay the $175?
Tomorrow.
I didn't hear you.
Tomorrow. Can you hear me?
I can hear you now. You said tomorrow?
Yes.
All right. Pay that any did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that did that app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it.
There you go. Good.
Sergeant, you have to mute yourself. I asked everybody to mute themselves if they're not. Pay it any did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the did that app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways. I can tell you to pay it. I don't know why you have such a pretty head of hair and you want to cover it up with a bonnet.
It's not done. I literally just got up. It's not done, sir. I'm
Look good to
sorry.
me. All right, have a great day. Ms. Lewis, best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you. You as well. Have a blessed one.
You as well, thank you. All right, City of Detroit versus Rupert Newton Green, case number SP 171754551, SP 1717551, counts 1, 2, and 3.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, Mr. Green. Appearing for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Rupert Green.
Mr. Green, state your name for the record, please.
Rupert Green.
Very good. Today is the date and time set for show cause purposes of a arraignment, counselor.
Waive the full reading the information, stand mute to the charges, Your Honor.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Green has one matter that is in default. I have no issue with setting that default aside and allowing Mr. Green to be heard on that matter. If the city has no objection to that, that would be an accident ticket. Mr. Green, Ms. Soroki is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I do see that, I'm sorry, I see that ticket on the docket under 835. I don't see his else he's at.
He's under 845 for the other ones then, so it's not in default, so it's no issue. All right, so he's on 845. We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Green, I'm gonna put a breakout room with Ms. Soroki. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lee. Ms. Lee, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want?
Your Honor, we seek a bit.
You gotta go to the breakout room, Mr. Green.
Okay, hold on, do that. Okay, hold on.
Where's Chanel Lee's client? Yes. Go ahead, Mr. Berry, on Ms. Lee.
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor, and the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lee?
Yes.
I'm gonna need a good phone number from you, ma'am.
313-879-8625.
I'm gonna have you back on August the 1st as well, 2025 at 8:30. I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls will hopefully be that appointed attorney. If that appointed attorney does not get in contact with you by that date, then we will get one appointed to you on the spot on August the 1st, okay?
Okay.
You have any further questions?
No.
I wish you the best of luck, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you, Samia.
All right, Ms. Bree Janae Gordon. Did I get the pronunciation correct, ma'am?
Janae Gordon, good morning.
Good morning to you, Janae Gordon. I need you to turn your camera on, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. City of Detroit versus Briogene Gordon. Case numbers SB 171843882, SB 1724058, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 1724067. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name for the record, Ms. Gordon.
Briogene, please, Gordon.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, give Ms. Gordon an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, she has an absolute right to a trial. Let me let you know, Ms. Gordon, you owe 210 on a blocking traffic, 252 on a 16 to 20 over, 222 on an expired plate, and 156 on a no valid registration. Those are all tickets that you are were not taken care of a long time ago. All right, Ms. Gordon, put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Worley, good morning to you. And Mr. Baughman, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. We're ready on Michael Gardner. That matter is set for trial.
Hello.
Good morning to you.
Hello.
Good morning to you, sir. Buenos dias.
Buenos días.
Necesitas interpreter?
Sí, español.
All right, let's get him a Spanish interpreter.
I don't have to take it.
City of Detroit versus Michael Gardner, case number SB 1687317, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman, P55052 on behalf of the defendant. Would you, Mr. Gardner, state your full name for the record?
Michael Anthony Gardner.
Date and time for trial, Your Honor. I'm moving to dismiss without prejudice for lack of a complaining witness.
Okay.
Officer O'Connell.
Officer Ethan O'Connell. Officer Ethan O'Connell. Hearing no response and not having seen that person join the room, I don't have that person on my list. I am going to grant the motion to dismiss. All right.
Thank you.
Gardner, you owe 216 on an old speeding ticket, sir. If it's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, Mr. Gardner.
Same to you. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Is there a notice of appointment in this file?
Let's see. There is not.
Okay.
I'm gonna have this.
I understand.
I'm gonna have this. Please. Notice of appointment. Very.
Thank you again, Your Honor.
Mr. Baldwin needs a notice of appointment, Mr. Gardner. All right, Mr. Gardner, have a good day. You have anybody else, Mr. Baldwin?
That's all for me today. Have a great day.
Take it easy. Who
Bye now.
came in? iPhone, sir, sitting at the chair with the glasses on the iPhone?
Hello, hello.
No, the iPhone. You said your name, Fernandez?
Colleen,
What's your name, sir? Sitting down in the camera with your glasses on. It looks like you're on a bedpost or, well, I don't know.
Yes, Marvin Owens. Marvin Owens, Your Honor.
Marvin Owens. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right. And let me let this other person in on this iPhone. They left.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good.
Is that Mr. Golston?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Golston, I don't think that the court is ever going to get their money from you. So I'm not going to keep having you back and supervising this. I'm going to let the court take care of that civilly if they choose to do so, okay?
Okay, so what do I do? How do I do that? Do I still go down there and keep paying on it, or?
You should, but you're not paying much on it. So they'll probably take you to court and sue you in civil court at some point.
Okay.
All right, be safe, sir.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Who are we ready on?
Your Honor, I'm ready on Green, Rupert Green.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Rupert Green. Mr. Green, I'm giving you an opportunity for speak to counsel. He wants a bench trial.
The city can't make a deal on the accident ticket without the officer, and he does have his documents, so if you want to dismiss, we could set up a formal hearing if you were willing to dismiss misdemeanors today.
Well, if he has the documents, bring the documents back, Mr. Green, on August the 4th, 2025 at 9 a.m., okay?
okay, thank you.
What time?
August 4th.
August 4 at 9?
At 9 o'clock?
At 9 o'clock, August 4th at 9 o'clock. If it's nothing further, Mr. Green, have a very good day, and whoever that's with you.
Back in the same Zoom, right?
Same Zoom.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor. Thank you,
You're
attorney.
welcome.
Thank you.
On the iPhone, I just let in the room. I just let an iPhone in the room. Can you unmute yourself? State your name, sir. You're sitting in the car. What is your name, sir? Sitting in the car, an iPhone, looking into the camera.
Tyrell Gladney.
Gladney. Good morning to you, Mr. Gladney.
Good morning.
I don't see Gladney on the docket. That's Gladney.
Yes, sir.
Tyrell, Tyrell.
Yes, sir.
Rayshawn Gladney.
Yes, sir.
The 29th in courtroom 7 and courtroom 336. 29th in courtroom 336.
Let me write that down, please. 336.
Yep.
The 29th.
Yep. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gladney, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Is Raheem Glenn there?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir. This is the city of Detroit versus Raheem Abdul Glenn. Case numbers SP 123-1403, counts 1 and counts 2. Appear for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, we have Mr. Glenn.
Mr. Glenn, state your name for the record, please.
My name is Raheem Abdul Glenn.
All right. Morning. Corporal Whitehead, good morning to you.
Good morning.
State your name, badge number, department for the record, please. Corporal Whitehead is here. He didn't state his name, badge number, department for the record. But Ms. Soroki, get Mr. Glenn an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Glenn, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Soroki. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? What's going on? Am I not being heard?
I hear you, Your Honor.
He's in the breakout room. Corporal Whitehead, are you there? Oh, what is your name?
Rayshawn Lundy Mays.
Lundy Mays. You have a cell phone? Good morning to you, Mr. Lundy.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
Why do you keep missing court?
My name on Zoom, and I was supposed to be in the inside. I thought it was on Zoom. That's how I missed the first.
Why were you supposed to be on the inside?
That's what I was trying to figure out myself. I'm like, I called down there, they said you're supposed to be inside.
Because we had to have some kind of not the first meeting.
No. We didn't even meet at all. That's why I missed the court date. And I had a warrant. I went came down here, left the warrants, and I had to see you on these 2 cases here.
Me and Mr. Lundy Mays. Is your phone charged up?
Yeah, it's over there. She put it in the charger right there.
Mr. Dupree, are you ready on anybody?
Yes, Judge, I've got 2 cases ready. Both should be very quick.
Who's this?
Abel Garcia. Or Abel Garcia, rather.
City of Detroit versus Abel Garcia, case number SP 9702951. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes.
Anthony Dupree, P80132 for the defendant. Mr. Garcia, your name, please.
Abel Garcia.
Judge, we're set for trial today. I believe the officers failed to appear. We'd move to dismiss.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Garcia.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Joseph Anthony, no officer Joseph Anthony. Case dismissed, Mr. Garcia. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. You're gonna have to pay the $45 reinstatement fee, all right?
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Are you welcome? Best of luck to you. Have a very good day.
You as well, thank you.
And Judge, I've also got Jermaine Lee ready.
Jermaine who?
Jermaine Lee.
He missed the bus. He did. We dismissed him.
Here's for Gewin.
Who?
Gewin's last name Gewin.
Yeah. We dismissed. I'll I won't mark the no office.
Okay, good.
But it was time.
It is.
8:30. Yeah.
It was one of those sneaky ones that snuck up on me.
No, give me all right, you all right? Cool.
Yeah, and you?
Yes, I'm
I
very
appreciate you doing this for me too.
It's no problem. You showed up, so it's not no office.
I was just thinking, I was like, hours, because I was at 2:20. I was like,
I was kind of shocked because I know you always show up.
they threw these late batch subpoenas on Fridays on us. And I told you that was my bad, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Jermaine Edward Lee, case number SP 167739191. Appearance for the record, please.
Anthony Dupree, PA 0132 for the defendant. Mr. Lee, your name, please.
Jermaine Lee.
Judge, today's date and time set for trial in this matter. Officers failed to appear. We move to dismiss.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lee.
Good morning.
If there an officer Johnson, judge number 3961, hearing no response. I don't have that officer on my list. We'll dismiss the case. No officer, if there's nothing further, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day. Okay.
Same to you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anyone else, Mr. Dupree?
That's it for me for today, Judge. Have a good day.
Very well.
Hey, Your Honor, it's Corporal Whitehead. I'm back. Were you calling me?
Was they're working it out now for your case, all right?
Okay, I'm still here. Thank you.
Very well. This is let's go back on the record with Ms. Gordon. Ms. Gordon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's current offer to allow her to enter a plea to improper plate for one of the insurance charges and enter a plea of limited access 1 to 5 for the speeding charge. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
It was 286-19-11.
All right, listen, Ms. Gordon, you have to unmute yourself. You have to turn your camera on. All right, Ms. Gordon. Next time you come to court, you got to be a little bit more covered up than that. All right. You understand me, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right. What about the deal you said? What was that, Mr. Berry?
Improper plates for one of the insurance charges and limited access 1 to 5 for the speeding ticket.
So it's already improper plates as charged. You want to take the deal?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yep.
Is that a yes, ma'am, or?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over here. Listen. You're gonna have to stand still.
I was trying to go somewhere quieter. I'm sorry.
All right. Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yeah.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record? Let me draw your attention back to May the 9th, 2025, around 10:50 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Hubble and Eaton. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yep, I believe so. Yes.
Not whether you believe so or not.
Yes, I did. Yes.
You operating a motor vehicle, ma'am?
Am I operating it? No, I'm just sitting in here now.
I said, were you operating? Listen, if you don't sit still and pay attention, then you're gonna get put back to the end of the line, okay?
Because I didn't understand what you said. I said, I'm not
No,
operating
because you
the
don't
vehicle
understand
right
what I'm
now.
saying. All right, pass the matter. I'm tired. All right, let's go back. Let's go to somebody that wants to pay attention and wants to get out of here and wants to really pay attention. Is Darren Graham here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here.
So I can leave, or I'm just waiting for you to come back.
You're just waiting. You're just waiting.
Some bullshit. This is crazy.
All right. All right. Okay. Now you're coming down to the courthouse. All right. Now I want you to make your way down here now.
I can't drive.
All right, well, that's too bad for you. It's, I'm gonna show you some bullshit. City of Detroit versus Darren Darrell Graham. Case number is SP 1724588, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Graham.
Darren Darrell Graham.
This also include SP 1245179, counts 1 and counts 2 into that record as well. Day is date and time set for a review and a pretrial. Mr. Graham, Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. You were ordered to pay $240 on the SP 1245179, counts 1 and counts 2. So 240 and 240. You neglected to pay those matters. They increased now to 288 with the late fee. I'm going to bring you back down to the original cost of the ticket for those. And we're going to need a date on those. But speak to Mr. Berry about the 2 other tickets that you that the allegations that are here on the record, and he's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Join the room. Let's pass the matter.
Your Honor, might please have co-host when you get a chance. This is the city. Thank you.
All right. All right, you can, Miss Gordon, you can hang up and come on down.
I don't have a way to the court. I don't understand
Well,
why I'm going down if
you were driving earlier, and you're in the driver's seat of a car right now. So I'm not buying. That was by your own admission.
Say that again, I'm sorry.
I said that was by your own admission. So you can play around if you want to, okay? You do what you.
How am I playing? And I said I didn't understand your question. And you said that I wasn't paying attention. I thought you said that I was driving right now, and I said.
Listen, we've already talked about that. We've already had a back and forth. I'm telling you to come down now. You do what you want. I'm gonna put you out the room and
where am I coming to? Where do I go to?
Bye. Bye. All right, we're just waiting on a lawyer.
Hello.
Yeah, un momento.
Excuse me.
Yeah, un momento. This individual, right? And yellow. Needs to, yes, to see copy interpreter. Yes. Oh, I know that. I know what she wants. She thinks she's smart. Yeah, that's why she's coming down. You just want to put together.
Hey, just checking the Spanish interpreter, I think. How long she gonna be there? Oh. I'm so sad. Okay. Okay. The judge too. So she gonna zoom in if you this way. Okay. Okay. All right. Good. Okay. All right. Bye-bye. She says she's on the judge. She's on it looking for a Spanish interpreter for this individual. Miss Hernandez went to Venezuela. She's gonna be gone. She's gonna be zooming in this way. Yeah, so she says she lost the person because of that today, but she's traveling. And she was saying that she don't know if she'll be able to make it back when she gets this way. So I was like, oh, okay.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Graham. Mr. Graham, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's current offer, which is to allow him to enter a plea to limited access 1 to 5 miles over for the speeding ticket of the remaining matter to be dismissed.
All right, you want to take the deal, Mr. Graham?
Yes, sir.
1 to 5 miles over for the speeding ticket and the remaining matter dismissed?
Limited access 1 to 5 over, the remaining matter to be dismissed.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended form of limited access and dismiss the other matter. Mr. Graham, what do you do for yourself? Are you working?
Yes, sir.
Listen, I'm not going to cut your break this time. I'm not going to. You owe the court a lot of money. When can you pay it?
That's how big
I just got my license, sir. I've just got it. It's been so long. I got to retake my road test, and then I can begin the payment arrangement.
All right. I'm going to give you a month to get this together. Review. Well, I don't need to review. I don't need to review. I just say pay. Somebody's going to have to mute their device, please. I'm going to pay by August the 18th, 2025. And then I'll mark the file allow payment plan. So you either do one of two things, pay it by August 18th, or come on down to the courthouse and get into a payment plan. You can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. Something further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Rayshawn Valdez, Lundy Mays, case number SP 1679692, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1701018, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1701031. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name.
Rayshawn Lundy Mays.
All right.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Lundy Mays, he has 4 civil infractions that are in default. I would have no issue with setting the defaults aside if the city has no objection to it. Their recent cases is an expired plate, Mr. Berry, a no valid registration, a no insurance proof, and an improper display of plate. I'll also allow Mr. Lundy Mays to pay the $45 reinstatement fee so that he can, I don't know if his license is suspended or not, but that would potentially, it's not already suspended, it will suspend his license if he has one. Mr. Lundy Mays, Mr. Berry is going to get you in a breakout room. He's going to give you an updated offer. He's going to explain to you everything that I've said, and you have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right.
Your Honor, that last charge off docket.
Improper display of plate. So four civil infractions and 3 misdemeanors, 7 cases I counted to the record. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, join the room, please. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right, let's go back on, let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Glenn. This is a dismissal.
Correct, Your Honor. Pauline Strokey again for the record for Mr. Glenn. I did speak with the city attorney. This is being dismissed. We stipulate to probable cause.
All right, with that, we're going to dismiss the case. Case of Mr. Glenn. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too. Have a good one. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Longmire, Stanley Longmire, press star. An officer, Corporal Whitehead, you be safe out there. Have a very good day, all right? Stanley Longmire, can you press star 6 to unmute yourself, please? Star 6 to unmute yourself, Stanley Longmire. Stanley Longmire, one more. You got it.
How you doing, sir?
Very well. City of Detroit versus Stanley O'Neill Longmire Jr. Case number SP 1725013, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Strokey on behalf of Mr. Longmire.
Mr. Longmire, state your name for the record, please.
Stanley Longmire.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Soroki, get Mr. Longmire in a breakout room. See if you can get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if he doesn't like the offer, he has an absolute right to a trial. I have a copy of the ticket here. And he's allegedly he's out there playing dice, and the false info to a police officer. The notes say Mr. Long provided false information about his name, stating his name was Stan Long and was engaged in a dice game. That's the notes. Give Mr. Longmire an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Join the room, Mr. Longmire. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? He's in there. Let's pass the matter. Not a lawyer. Mr. Warbling, are you ready? Take that note off. Who's on the Department of Criminal Justice Center? Who's calling in from the Criminal Justice Center? What's your name, sir? Good morning to you.
CK Goins.
Say that again.
CK Goins.
10K Goins.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. All right, good morning to you.
Good morning to you as well.
That's fine. Oh, you want me to write it on?
Yeah, just update that part. I wanted to be, but.
Good morning. Give him lights of lights. How are you?
Hi, good morning, Judge. I'm here to interpret for a Spanish-speaking
Very well.
client.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm on with Judge Williams right now. This case is wrapping up. I just
Go ahead,
wanted
take
to
your time.
drop in. Okay.
Very well.
Thank
And
you.
you want to zoom in here?
I've got the Zoom number here, so I'll just
Very
log on just a minute or two.
All right, good morning.
Thank you. Good morning.
So I have Mr. Longmire ready.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Longmire. Mr. Longmire, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, at this time, he's requesting a bench trial date.
And he needs an appointed attorney or not?
You know, I did discuss it with Ms. Snyder, and we thought probably not. So,
I don't know. It's an allegation of false ID. That's kind of,
all right, Your Honor, then let's just appoint counsel, because you may need the video for, the other charge.
and Mr. Longmire, the next time you come in, you're gonna have to zoom in so we can see who Mr. Longmire is and what Mr. Longmire looks like.
Yeah,
All right.
I didn't know how to. Yeah, I didn't know how to Zoom, so that's why I didn't know how to.
We'll give you some time to figure it out. So, Mr. Longmire, is this the best number to reach you at?
Yes.
To reach you, and I'm gonna appoint an attorney to you for this case.
Okay.
I need you to answer calls you don't recognize. One of the calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, then I need, we'll appoint one for you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
On August the 1st, 2025 at 8:30 a.m. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good day.
Thank you.
All right, best of luck. You didn't finish talking to him? All right, City of Detroit versus Keith Javon Griffin, case number SP 1636343, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1653704, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1666413, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1695957, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1696001, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Griffin.
This is Oak Street.
I'm sorry.
Yes, sir. I had an attorney. My attorney's not in yet.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's get Mr. Ogletree in here, all right? Officers for Griffin, is Officer Nazar here? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Officer Abdullah Nasser, Detroit Police, badge 4535.
And good morning to you. Okay, as Officer Stewart here?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Stewart, badge number 4656.
Good morning to you. And Officer Burley? He was here. Is he here for this matter? Yeah, he was here. Corporal Spidell? Your name, badge number, department on the record for Mr. Keith Javon Griffin.
Yes, Corporal Spidell, batch 402, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
And what happened to Officer Burley? I thought he was here as well. Nevertheless, I'm gonna wait and pass it in. And let's get Mr. Ogletree in here, please. Ms. Mathis. All right, very well. Let's pass the matter, Mr. Griffin. We'll get Mr. Ogletree. All right. Is Adorable Gunnels here?
Yes, I am.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning to you as well.
The City of Detroit versus Adorable Angel Gunnels, case number SP 1700207, appearing for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Gunnels.
All right, Ms. Gunnels, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Adorable Ganels.
How do you pronounce that, Ganels?
Yes.
All right, very well. Day is date and time set for trial. Officer Wells, can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Officer Chanel Wells, badge number 472, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. Ms. Ganels, go to the breakout room with Ms. Soroki and see if she can work this out for you. Today is date and time set for a trial, all right? Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Berry, do you have anyone?
I have Mr. Lundy Mays, Your Honor, but he seems to have fallen off.
Yeah, he's waiting for his battery to charge back up. All right. Let's go with Pamela Owens. Is Pamela Owens here? Pamela Owens.
Officer, is this for Rayshawn Lundy?
Unmute yourself, ma'am.
Yes,
And,
hello.
Camera, hello. Good morning to you, Ms. Owens. This is the city of Detroit. Hello.
Yes,
How are
Your Honor,
you?
I'm here.
Okay, this is the city of Detroit. Good morning to you. First
Hello?
is Pamela. Hello, can you hear me, ma'am?
Can hardly hear you. Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Hello, can you hear us, ma'am?
I can barely hear.
Can you turn your volume up? Can you hear us now?
Hello, Your Honor?
Yes, I can hear you. We can hear you. Can you hear
Yes,
us?
yes, I can hear you now. I'm sorry about that.
That's all right. This is the city of Detroit versus Pamela Owens. Case number SP 1723071. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Owens.
Pamela Owens.
Good morning to you. The date is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, speak to Ms. Owens in a breakout room. Try to get her an updated offer. Keep in mind, if she does not like the offer, she has an absolute right to a trial. Mr. Berry, I do have a ticket here with some specific notes on there. I can either read them out into the record, or I can send them to you.
If you could send them, Your Honor, I'd appreciate it.
All right, very well. Ms. Owens, go in the breakout room and speak with Mr. Berry, please. He's going to get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Pass the matter. He's in there, Mr. Berry. Is Gerard Greer here?
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning. Good morning.
All right, you want to get some truckers? All right, you want to get out of here? Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gunnels. Ms. Gunnels, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, is this a dismissal for documentation?
Yes, Your Honor. Stipulate to probable cause.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the case, Ms. Gunnels, I'm sorry, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you. And Officer Wells, best of luck to you and be safe out there, okay?
Thank you. Ma'am, you can hang up.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
I can hang up.
Yeah.
You may.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. City of Detroit versus Gerard Robert Greer. Case number SP 100899111, SP 1089981, SP 1284050, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1321447, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1394709, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1522024, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1707960, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Gerard Greer.
Mr. Greer, good morning to you. State your name for the record.
Gerard Robert Greer, good morning, good morning.
All right, there's date and time set for a trial. Corporal Baker, good morning to you. Can you put your name, badge number, and department on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Corporal Baker, Badge 21, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Officer Johnson, good morning to you. Can you put your name, badge number, and department on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Robert Johnson, badge number 783, Detroit Police Department.
Okay, good morning to you. Is Officer William Johnson here?
Your Honor, Officer William Johnson retired, sir.
Very good, thank you. And I know Officer Derek Knox is no longer with the department either. His officer, I know Officer Robinson checked in. He was here.
He next door.
He's next door. So Officer Robinson, is he a corporal now?
Yeah.
Corporal Robinson. And then Officer Richardson, are you here?
Yes, sir. Sergeant Richardson, badge S465.
All right, good morning to you, Officer Richardson. Ms. Soroki, give Mr. Greer an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Greer, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout with Ms. Soroki. Let us know what you want.
Okay. Okay.
Join the room, please. Officer Corporal Robinson, can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
May I step up to the vote?
Yeah.
Sergeant Willie Robinson, badge 20, badge S25.
All right, very good. All right, let's pass the matter that I'm working on.
I was in person next week.
Yeah, I got you, Chair. I saw you on when you walked in. All right, let's pass the matter. Mr. Warbling, good morning to you. All right, Mr. Attorney Weiner, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. If you can simply put me into the breakout room with the prosecutor, I think we can resolve this matter.
Who is this? Who is the defendant?
Keith Griffin, Griffin, Griffin. He got like, eight.
I'm gonna put Mr. Griffin in breakout room 5. And when you resolve it, make sure he knows his advice and rights. You can go speak with him, and I'll put you in breakout room 4 to speak with the city attorney.
Thank you.
Oh, ¿te salió?
Yeah, and, Madam Interpreter, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Shalonda Heisley, Heisley.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, Your Honor.
Give me a few minutes, please. I'm just waiting on a lawyer.
Okay.
Mr. Lundy Mays, I'm gonna get you back in once Mr. Berry is done with Ms. Owens, okay? Yes, she did.
She did. What happened?
It's nothing you're gonna do with that. Just let them get their money the way they can get it.
Okay.
Mr. Warbling, are you ready?
Ready. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
I'm sorry. Are we on Marnique Cornell Gibbons? Mr. Warbling?
No, Judge, it was going to be David Gossett.
Oh, Gossett.
Yeah.
Gossett.
I think it's a show cause today.
City of Detroit versus David Michael Gossett, case number SP 1457718, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1475061, SP 1710202, counts 1 and counts 2, and the state of Michigan versus David Michael Gossett, case number SX 421776772. Appearance for the record, please.
Judge, may it please this court, Ben Warbling, P64889, on behalf of Mr. Gossett. Mr. Gossett, could you state your name, unmute yourself, and state your name for the record at this time? I know he's here in the gallery, Judge.
Oh, okay. Yep. David Michael Gossett.
All right. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
If they except for a show cause on or not guilty plea, we have give them a $0 bond. What does your client want to do?
Judge, I think at this time we'd like to enter a not guilty plea, and we could request a bench trial.
All right. Trial date will be August the 4th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Mr. Gossett. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Gossett will be in touch with you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks so much.
All right, have a good. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Owens. Ms. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? You better zoom in so I can get you in, Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, my client wishes to enter a plea as charged.
There's no delayed sentence on this or anything?
No, Your Honor. We try to just set up a trial date, but my client wants to resolve this matter.
You sure you don't want a trial date, ma'am, and the appointment of attorney? Miss Owens?
Unmute, Miss Owens.
Ms. Owens, you have to unmute yourself and turn your camera on, please. I'm sending you prompts.
Can you hear me now, Judge?
I can hear you now. You sure you don't want an appointment of an attorney and so they can further look into this matter for you, and you'll have an individual attorney appointed to you?
No, Your Honor, no,
Let me ask you this, Ms. Lewis. Don't say anything about the facts of the case or anything like that. Are you sure you want to enter into a crime of dishonesty, ma'am?
I'm not,
Having the benefit of having an attorney pay some special attention to this for you?
I'm not familiar with all of this.
Okay, so based on what you just told me, Ms. Owens, I'm gonna appoint an attorney for you, okay? So that attorney can look into this matter more deeply for you, okay? Okay, Ms. Owens?
Okay, if that's best for me, because I'm not understanding any of this.
All right, so that's the best thing we can do. If you're not understanding, then that is
No,
the only action we're gonna take. Ms. Owens, I need a good phone number from you, please.
313-865-8111.
All right. I'm gonna have an attorney call you, reach out to you. You need to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we're gonna get one appointed on the spot for you, okay?
Okay.
Your next date is gonna be August the 1st, 2025 at 8:30. Keep in mind, hopefully you'll hear from that attorney by that time. But if you don't, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on August the 1st, I'm sorry, August the 1st. Okay, Ms. Owens?
Okay.
All right, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You as well, Your Honor. Thank you so much now.
Thank you. Mr. Lundy Mays, go back and break out room 2 with Mr. Berry.
So what you said was probation was terminated without improvement.
Yes, absolutely. This is not just the appointment. It's not the All right, are we ready on Griffin?
Yes, we are, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's recall it. City of Detroit versus Keith Javon Griffin, case number SP 1636343, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1653704, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1666413, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1695957, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1696001, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Arnold Weiner, retained counsel on behalf of Mr. Griffin, no objection proceeding by Zoom. Mr. Griffin, state your name if you have any objection to Zoom.
Keith Griffin?
Any objection to Zoom?
No, sir.
Thank you.
All right, date and time set for a trial. Have you come to a resolution on this?
Yes, we have, Your Honor, and I think if you can get the prosecutor in, we're going to be pleading to 4 to 5 charges. I think they're amended charges. Maybe you could contact her, but I know that one is a one's going to be a failure to display a license. One is no registration. I don't have the case number, but they're being amended to failure to display a license, no registration, cleared license plate, a seat.
What, say, wait a minute. I have failure to display, no registration, and what else?
Expired license plate, a seat belt violation, and these are all no points. And the only point we are pleading to is a limited access speed, which is 1 point. That's what the prosecutor has offered. That's what we are accepting.
And limited access, what is the speed? Limited access what?
What? Well, I think it's 1 to 5. I think that's what they call it.
Yeah, that would be no points. That would be just an abstraction. The 1 point, the 1 point would be limited access.
Is that 5?
6 to 10.
Okay, that's fine, Judge.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Their counsel, Mr. Weiner, went over your other advice or rights at some point during the pendency of this case, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
On behalf of your client, will you stipulate to the faces of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for those responsible, please, Counselor?
Yes, I will. I discussed this matter with him, and we agree that this factual basis exists.
Mr. Griffin, let me draw your attention back to December the 19th, 2024 at around 10:37 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Shawawasi Drive and 7 Mile. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, sir.
Why is that?
I might have just had my ID on me that day, and I got it, confused with my driver's license.
Did you have a valid license on that day, sir?
I don't recall. I believe so. Yes, sir.
But you just failed to produce it to the officer, correct?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
I'll find him guilty as to the amended count of failure to display. That'll be a $240 fine. You stipulated to the responsible plea. So I'll find you responsible as charged to the expired plate.
He has that plate now, Judge. It was past his birthday. That's why he thought he had to the end of the month, but he has it now.
Did you talk to the city about that?
No, Judge, I did not.
You want to go back and talk to the city and see if she would reconsider? I'm not going to worry about it too much because I wasn't gonna fine him for all the stuff anyway.
Okay, good. Thank you. Now let's just resolve these things so he can get on with his life.
So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't see a no registration. I see a civil and a misdemeanor no registration. Okay, so I thought that was gonna be 3 civil infractions. Let me draw your attention back, sir, to October the 23rd, 2024, around 2:11 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Southfield and Warren. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce valid registration for that motor vehicle.
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do that, could you?
No, sir.
What is that?
I be honest, sir, I do not recall, but I did not provide.
Well, why are you answering the questions if you don't recall? If you do recall being stopped on that day?
Yes, sir. Just don't recall why I didn't have registration.
So was this your 2023 Jeep?
Yes, sir.
And did you have registration on the vehicle at that time, or you don't know that either?
What was the date?
Did you have the registration for the Jeep and you failed to produce?
October 23rd, 2025 at Southfield and Warren.
The 2024?
2024, I'm sorry.
Keith, you had
No,
a
sir.
registration, but you didn't have it on you, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right, very well. I'll find them guilty as charged. And I'll find guilty in a kind of improper plate for that. Okay, so here's what we'll do. I'll find you 240 and 240 for the misdemeanors. One of them I'll dismiss upon payment. The improper plate amended count I'll dismiss upon payment for the unregistered, untitled, and the failure to display. And then I won't fine you for any other elements, all right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
And Keith, tell the court how long it will take you to come up with the $480.
Should I pay it in full or start on a payment plan?
You should pay it in full. If you can pay it in full, we could dismiss one of them and close the other one out.
I could pay them in full by in 60 days.
30 days.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You don't need to be laughing. No, I ain't laughing. 30 days. 30 days. Pay it by August. Come out back August the 18th, 2025 at 8:25. Pay it at any DevDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, Mr. Griffin, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways to pay it, but like I said, those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, sir, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Judge.
Have a
We'll
blessed day.
log off. And Keith, call
All
me
right.
now and I'll explain.
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. City of Detroit, who's ready?
I'm ready, Your Honor, with my last matter, the trial.
Ready, Mr. Lundy Mays.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Greer. Mr. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a dismissal and he'll pay up the civil infractions?
Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to speak with the city attorney. My client, he has license, registration, and insurance at this time. So all counts would be dismissed, and in agreement, he will pay his civil infractions when he can.
Gerard Robert Greer,
Yes, sir.
you have a valid license?
Yes.
So cases are gonna be dismissed and you just owe, civil infractions.
Okay, sir. And where would I go to pay them on the div that?
You did that or come on down to the court or go online. There's many ways you can pay it. If you go on the website, 36 District Court, they will let you know. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. You're gonna pay any and all reinstatement fees, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, congratulations on getting that license. Have a very good rest of your day.
Give me your
Yes,
what?
sir. Thank you, Your Honor. Stay blessed.
You too. This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Soroki versus Marnique Cornell Gibbons, case number C5746061, SP 125523881, SP 1694768, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 172393991, 23743158, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of defendant Gibbons.
Mr. Gibbons, press *6, or you're there. State your name for the record, sir. Marnique Gibbons.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
State your name for the record, please.
Marnie Cornell Gibbons.
All right, good morning. Ms. Soroki, there's other matters that are in warrant status for purposes of arraignment on those warrants.
Waive the formal reading of the information, stand mute, Your Honor.
Willing or not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. He's got, you have the ink pen ready, Ms. Soroki.
Ready.
He's got driving while license suspended, a no ops, an unregistered untitled, a no insurance misdemeanor, a license improper, a no ops, an unregistered untitled, no insurance misdemeanor, all misdemeanors, plus the one on the docket. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cases into the record. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Gibbons, with Ms. Soroki. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lundy Mays. Mr. Lundy Mays, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Up to the desk. No, right here. So you can just
Right here?
yeah, where the microphone is. Mr. Mays, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Mr. Barry, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's current offer, which is to enter a plea to the improperly displayed plate and all of the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lundy Mays?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Mr. Barry went over, let's say this. You read this and signed this advice of rights form?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand the rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about the rights?
No, sir.
Is that your signature on the bottom of that page?
Yes, it is.
And do you know by taking the deal, you're gonna give up the rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated that we'll do today?
No, sir.
All right, let me draw your attention back to February 14, 2025, around 1:56 p.m., city of Detroit, in the area of Narden Park. And is that Arden Park in Chicago or Narden Park?
Arden Park. It's Grand River in Chicago.
So somewhere in that area.
Yeah, somewhere in that area, yeah.
And were you operating a motor vehicle around that date and that time?
Yes, I was. Yes,
Officer asked you to produce a valid, was something wrong with the plates on that vehicle?
The plates was expired.
The plates were expired.
Yes, sir.
That would make them improper. You satisfied, Counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
We're satisfied. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the, as charged, the improper plate $240 will be the fine. I'll dismiss upon payment, which stipulates the probable cause. I'll dismiss all the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Mr. Lundy Mays, when can you pay it?
I was gonna ask the court if you can give me 45 days.
You already know the answer to that, don't you?
Yeah, 30 days.
I'm gonna give you 30 days, Mr. Lundy Mays. Are you working?
Yes, I am.
I'll give you 30 days. And what I'll do is I can allow you to enter into a payment plan if you want, and then it'll be up to you and the court, whatever you figure out.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate that.
I'll put the matter for review. Come back on August the 18th, 2025 at 8:25, and that doesn't mean you don't have to show back up in person. You can join on Zoom. I'll mark the file allow payment plan. If there's nothing further, sir, other cases are dismissed. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, very good.
Sorry about the mic.
That's all right. Okay. No, I thought you wanted to rap or something. That's fine. All right. Let's go with the city of Detroit, Mr. Barry. This is an interpreter. This is the city of Detroit versus Franklin Disney Grenadille Lil. Case number SP 1690237, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
Madam Interpreter, Mr. Berry.
Entonces tenemos aquí a abogado Berry Jr. representando a Franklin Disney Granadillo, caso SP 1690371, cargo acusación 1 y 2.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. Please state your full name, sir.
Elwood S. Berry representando al demandado. Por favor, señor, diga su nombre en voz alta.
Franklin Ney Granadillo Leal.
Today is date time set for show cause purposes of arraignment.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
Entonces, esta es la fecha y la hora por el propósito de una lectura de cargos. Representando a mi cliente quiere quedarse en silencio.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, get them an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Entonces, lo que voy a hacer es ponerles en un cuarto privado para que ustedes puedan practicar. Voy a entrar una declaración de no culpable para el demandado con una fianza de $0.
He's in there. Let's pass the matter.
Your Honor, this is the Wayne County Jail. Do we know how much longer for Mr. Goins? We need the room.
Okay, give me a few minutes, please. And good morning to you.
Thank you. Good morning.
Gibbons is ready, Your Honor, when you're ready.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibbons. Mr. Gibbons, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, we did reach disposition with the city attorney. The suspended license is being amended to fail to display. And one of the off-docket license violations is being amended to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. All other matters would be dismissed, and my client's waiving his rights.
You want to do that, Mr. Gibbons?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
And let me draw your attention back to March the 13th, 2025, around 3:32 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Greenfield and Plymouth. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Are you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Was that motor vehicle 2007 Land Rover?
Yes, sir.
Is that your vehicle?
Yes, sir.
All right, officer asked you to produce valid driver's license and insurance.
Yes, sir. You said,
Did
I'm sorry.
Did he ask you to produce valid driver's license and insurance?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do either, could you, sir?
No, sir.
And why is that?
I didn't have it.
Very well. I'll find him guilty. Instead of the allowing, I'll find him guilty of the admitted count of improper plate. That's the same effect. It doesn't have any points. It won't abstract to the Secretary of State. And when you pay the fine, I'll dismiss upon payment. With stipulation, and then I'll find him guilty of the amended count of failure to display for the not having a valid driver's license. With the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss all the other matters.
I'm sorry, Judge, so stipulated.
Very good. So I waived the warrant fees, 240 and 240. I'll dismiss one of the cases upon payment. When can you pay?
Sir, am I correct? 240 plus 240?
Yes.
Cash been kind of tight for me, and be honest with you, sir.
For me too.
Yeah, I understand. I'm not trying to, I'm just being honest with you because I really want to get my license. So, and I'm willing to do whatever I have to do. And
but this doesn't seem like it'll affect your getting your license, sir.
Okay. So that's for $480.
I'm gonna give you August 18th to figure it out. Come back on August 18th. I'll even mark the file allow payment plan. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDad app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, or come down to the courthouse before August 18th to get into that payment plan. And you won't have to deal with me. If it's nothing further, Mr. Gibbons, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, sir. You have a wonderful day.
All right, best of luck to you. Mr. Soroki, this is the city of Detroit versus Sanique Gary Goins, case number SP 172-11461. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Owens.
Goins, Mr. Goins.
I'm sorry, Mr. Goins.
Mr. Goins, can you state your name for the record? You have to unmute yourself. And good morning to you.
Sinke Goins.
Sinke, I'm sorry. All right, it says vehicle was heading westbound on Orange Lawn, Burke at high rate of speed, disregarding stop signs, continue high speed, use middle turn lane to pass other vehicles, and disregard red light and how to drive. Well, if those allegations are true, it certainly sounds like that is reckless. But I'll let you speak to Mrs. Soroki in the breakout room. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
All right.
All right, pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Leal. Mr. Leal, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Madam Interpreter?
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Yeah, let's go back on the record with Mr. Leal. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Ya he dado el tiempo para el señor Leal hablar con abogado. ¿Qué quiere hacer? Abogado, por favor.
Your Honor, my client has shown valid registration, so we'd seek dismissal for compliance.
Su señoría, mi cliente me ha mostrado una registración válida, entonces vamos a pedir, por favor, una desestimación.
We'll dismiss the cases or provide valid documentation. As there's nothing further, Mr. Al, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. And Madam Chair, thank you as well.
Entonces vamos a desestimar este caso. Your Honor, excuse me, this is the interpreter speaking. I think he's still in the breakout room.
Yeah, sir.
Mr. Leal, we're going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Entonces, señor, vamos a desestimar el caso por el hecho de que usted ha provisto los documentos válidos. Si eso es todo, ya se puede colgar.
Ok, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
Buenos días, gracias.
Okay, have a good day.
All right, Madam Interpreter, good to see you. Have a very good day. Best of luck
Same.
to you as well.
Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Desiree Shante Lee, case number SP 1507127, counts 1 and counts 2, and also SP 172776601, SP 1727971. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Esberry Jr. on behalf of Miss Lee. State your full name, Miss Lee.
Desiree Shante Lee.
Hello, Ms. Lee. Good morning to you. Today is date and time set for pre-trial, Ms. Lee. Mr. Berry's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
That's the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Goins. Mr. Goins, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're requesting a MIDC attorney be appointed and this matter be reset for a pretrial.
Okay, is that what you want to do, Mr. Goins?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, what about, how long do you plan on being in there?
Today.
You're gonna get out today, you believe? What
No,
is your...
it's not, I believe. I really do get out today. I get my tether today.
Oh, very well. All right. You know, I mean, I'll just say some stranger things could happen, but hopefully you're correct about it. You have a good phone number, sir?
313-450-2523.
All right, I'm gonna mark the file need appointed attorney. I'm gonna have that attorney try to reach out to you. Hopefully that attorney gets in contact with you. I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the next court date is gonna be August the 1st. We're gonna get one pointed to you on the spot on August the 1st, okay?
All right.
All right, if there's nothing further, I hope you're right, and I hope you get out of there, sir, and I wish you the best of luck, okay?
All right.
All right. Have a great day.
You as well.
City of Detroit versus, is that Tania Gaines? Can you give me the correct pronunciation, Ms. Gaines?
Tonia Gaines.
Tonia Gaines, good morning to you. Case number SP 1704751.
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Ms. Soroki, appearance for the
Right.
record.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Gaines, Your Honor.
Okay, good morning. An officer, Greyer. Good morning to you. Can you state your name and badge number, department for the record, please? Well, he was here. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I have no.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Gaines. I have not seen Officer Guy or myself, but if he's not here at this time, it is trial date was set for 9 o'clock. I'm moving for dismissal.
All right, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to, where's this, because he did check in, but he hasn't mentioned anything to me that he was going someplace else. Oh, case dismissed. I have a note from Miss that the officer did appear, but the complaining witness did not.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Maybe they got the message. All right. Be safe, Miss Gaines. Have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
You as well. Thank you.
City of Detroit versus, this is Terrence Martin. Is Terrence Martin there?
Yeah, I'm here. Good morning.
Good morning to you, sir. This is the City of Detroit. You need to turn your camera on, please. Versus Terrence Eric Martin. Case number SP 1396818, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1723373, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Terrence Martin.
Mr. Martin, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Yeah, good morning. My name is Terrence Martin.
Terrence Martin, okay. All right, that SP 1723373, that matter's in front. It's supposed to be show cause in front of Judge Wagner. He's been here all morning. We'll see if we can consolidate these. Get him an updated offer. I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. I'll give him a $0 bond. So he has the 2 on the docket that we're here on. And he has another, driving in an unsafe manner and an open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver again. Get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Martin, you have an absolute right to a trial and put you in a breakout room with Ms. Soroki. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Please, pass the matter. Mr. Christopher Gray.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What is your date of birth, please?
7/11/72.
Okay. Would I be correct in saying that you do not want an attorney?
You would be accurate in that assessment, sir.
This is the City of Detroit versus Christopher Gray, case number SP 1357945, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1191985, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1629749, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 267865, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance. State your name for the record, please.
I'm appearing as Christopher Gray, attorney in fact for Christopher L. Gray under the limited power of attorney. It's a limited appearance made solely to address the jurisdiction and procedural defects of the matter that we have before us. I'm not consenting or to any presumed or implied claims. And what we're looking for is the verified evidence and proper legal process to be adhered to. The notice that we received was insufficient under MCR 1.105J, and it didn't meet the due process standards. The complaint didn't have the essential elements, that the court requires, and it wasn't signed by the prosecutor. So I'm saying that there's no jurisdiction, and I'm asking that the court rule and dismiss it for lack of jurisdiction.
Cited court rule MCR 1. Cite that rule again, please.
MCR court rule MCR 1-208. 1-108. Is that 1-10 MCR one? Wait, let me have that. MCR 1-105.
MCR, that's construction. These rules are to be construed, administered, and employed by the parties and the court to secure the just, speedy, and economical determination of every action and to avoid the consequence of error that does not affect the substantial rights of the parties. So I'll deny your motion based on that, that rule.
Could you explain, Your Honor?
No, I'm not gonna explain. I don't answer questions. I ask them. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm gonna give you a $0 bond. If you wanna appear before the court on your own behalf, you have to know the rules. And you cited a rule, and I denied your motion on that rule that you cited, okay?
Well, what I'm asking is your explanation as to why on the record so that I can address that issue directly, Your Honor.
Well, the explanation, you said that you cited that rule because the court didn't have proper notice, right?
Yes.
All right, so that rule that you read had nothing to do with notice.
But in actuality, it does, Your Honor.
Well, that's between, I say that it doesn't. So based on that, I'm denying your motion. You can take it up to the circuit court and appeal my decision if that's your choice.
Understood.
What do you want to do with these cases, sir? You want to offer, or do you want to set it for a jury trial?
I would consider an offer.
Okay, go in the breakout room, Miss Snyder. Mr. Gray is appearing on his own. Oh, she's in. Let me let her speak to the attorney, and I'll put you in a breakout room with the city attorney when she's done. Okay.
Very good.
Let's pass the matter.
Ready as to Ms. Lee, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lee. Ms. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial date and the appointment of counsel. Her information is in the chat.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lee?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I'm going to give you a pretrial date of August the 1st, 2025 at 8:30. I'm going to mark the file need appointed attorney. Please answer the calls you don't recognize. Hopefully one of those calls is that appointed attorney. If that appointed attorney does not get in contact with you by August the 1st, then we'll have one appointed on the spot. You got that?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day, Miss Lee, and best of luck to you, okay?
Same to you.
Oh.
William Gooden, are you there, Mr. Gooden? Goodwin, I'm sorry, Goodwin. William DeQuan Goodwin Jr. We lost him? Here. That gets me down to Cedric Logan. Can you press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Logan? Press *6 to unmute yourself. Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Cedric Logan, case number SP 1711525, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Logan.
Cedric Nassel Logan.
All right, today he's not on the docket. He missed his court date the other day, on the 14th, Monday. He has expired plate and drove while license suspended. Mr. Berry, give Mr. Logan an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Logan, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna enter not guilty on his behalf. I'm gonna give him a $0 bond. In a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Yes, sir.
He's in there, Mr. Berry. All right, Ms. Snyder. You can speak with Mr. Christopher Gray. He's representing himself. He wants an offer. I'm gonna put him in breakout room 4, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
But he wants to entertain an offer, all right? Mr. Gray, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with the city attorney. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. You have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer.
Understood, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Martin. Mr. Martin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we did have an opportunity. The recommendation is my client would plead to amended open alcohol passenger, and the unsafe manner is being amended to limited access 1 to 5. He's waiving his rights.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Judge.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Judge.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, Judge.
Has anybody, you understood those rights?
Yes, Judge.
Any questions about those rights?
No, Judge.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Judge.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Judge.
Mr. Martin, let me draw your attention back to May 9th, 2025 at around 2:50 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 7 Mile and DeQuinder. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Judge.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes, Judge.
The officer asked you, did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes, Judge.
What kind of alcohol did you have?
My passenger was drinking tequila.
All right, was it open?
Yes.
There was something in the container as well, right?
Yes, Judge.
All right, I'm gonna find him guilty of the admitted count of open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. And were you speeding at that time?
Yes, Judge.
All right, find him responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5. What I'll do is I'll find him. I won't find him for speeding. I'm gonna find him guilty of the amended count of open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. $240. When can you pay?
$240.
$240.
I can pay that today.
I'll give you till tomorrow to get it in here. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. And I'll waive the warrant fee. If there's nothing further, sir, with stipulation of probable cause, I will dismiss the other 2 matters.
Okay.
Is that Ms. Sarone?
I'm here.
Stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
All right. So $240, you pay it tomorrow, pay it in DivDat kiosk, city of Detroit, or come on down to the court if it's nothing further, Mr. Murray, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Judge. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You as well.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Roque. Appreciate you.
Good luck, sir.
All right. Y'all have a good one.
This is the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Marvin Owens, case number SX 415-43571, B14-399325, B14-399425. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Owens.
Mr. Owens, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. You have to unmute yourself, Mr. Owens.
Okay, Marvin Owens.
Turn your camera on too, please, Mr. Owens. Let me send you a prompt.
Okay.
All right. Ms. Soroki, give Mr. Owens, Officer West, good morning to you. Unmute yourself, turn your camera on, state the record, please.
My name is Officer Jessica West.
I couldn't hear you, ma'am.
Officer Jessica West.
And you are with
Animal Control.
Detroit Animal Control. Good morning to you. There's the time set for a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Owens, with Ms. Soroki. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay, right quick. Okay.
And Your Honor, I'm sorry, Daniel Martin issued a different violation. Has he checked in?
I haven't seen him check in.
Thank you. Ms. Snyder, I'm gonna need you.
That sound man.
Joining Mr. Owens, wait on Ms. Soroki, please.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. All right, Mr. Berry, are you ready on Logan?
Ready, Your Honor.
Go back on the record with Mr. Cedric Logan. Mr. Logan, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a bench trial date in order to return with documents.
Damn, break up.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Logan?
Yes, sir.
All right. Trial date is going to be August 4th, 2025 at 9 a.m., okay?
That's August 4th, correct?
August 4th, 2025 at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, are we ready on Mr. What is Mr. Did you talk to Mr. What happened to Miss Snyder? She's in the breakout. Okay. I think that's it. I think that might be it. We have Mr. Gray. All right, did you talk to Mr. Gray?
I did, Your Honor. I sent a chat. He wants a jury trial date with a final pretrial date. We might be able to get rid of some of the charges at the final pretrial.
Can I get a jury trial date from Mr. Gray? Please.
Are we back on Mr. Gray, Judge?
Not yet, he hasn't come out.
Okay.
I'm trying to pull him on now.
All
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Owens. Mr. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a dismissal.
That's correct, Your Honor. Pauline Stroke on behalf of Mr. Owens. Mr. Owens' dog was put down on June 15th, and the officer is satisfied, and she's agreeing to a dismissal. We stipulate the probable cause.
All right, sorry to hear about, where's Mr. Owens? Oh, sorry to hear about your dog, Mr. Owens.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I will, the cases will be dismissed. How old was your dog?
11.
What kind of dog was he?
It was a terrier mix, what they call a Winslow Terrier mix. What she was mixed with, I don't know, but I love that dog. I cried like a baby.
I love mine too. I got one dog that's 18 years old.
What?
And yeah.
It's got to be a small dog, isn't it?
Yeah, it's Maltese, and
okay.
He's blind and can barely hear, but he gets around. He makes it to his food. He makes it back to his bed and everything, and he just keeps on going. I told my daughter, I say, you know, the good die young. That dog was meaner than a hornet. He'd come on, he'd run up on anything. I said, that's probably why he's living so long. Case dismissed, sir. Best of luck to you, and our sympathy goes to you, all right?
Thank you.
August the 19th.
August the 19th. All right, let's see if we can get Mr. I'm gonna just open up, close all the rooms.
19th.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gray, Mr. Christopher Gray. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel and see if you could resolve the matter. As I'm being told, and I'll let you tell me for the record, that you want a jury trial date. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, what happened the last time? So now we're not going to keep doing this. There was a jury trial date on 6/24/2025 set. And
we were looking for, I was looking for notice to some type of notice from the court. I didn't receive that. And so that was.
But we talked about that. Turn your camera on. But you got notice when you left the court room that day, right? When we were on Zoom, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so that's not gonna happen again, all right?
Understood.
So is this New Bedford Street your address now?
No, sir. No, sir.
All right, where are we talking about? You want me to update your address here with the court?
Yes, can I send that to you?
Send it in the chat, yeah, please.
Yes, sir.
The jury trial date is going to be August the 19th, 2025. And at 8:30, we'll just have everybody appear at 8:30. I'm going to set a final pre-trial date. The jury trial date is going to be in person. Jury trial in person. Final pre-trial. All parties must appear, but you don't have to appear in person for the final pretrial. The final pretrial can be on Zoom, but all parties must appear. That includes the officers. And then on August the 18th, that'll be the final pretrial at 8:30.
Understood.
There are going to be any motions. Let's just set a motion date for. Let's make a motion date for August the 8th. Motions due August the 8th, 2025. And a response to the motion, if any, will be August the 15th, 2025. I'm waiting on now the new address.
Did you get that?
Yes.
Got it? Okay.
Yes. What I'll do also, what is the zip code over there?
4216.
That's in the city of Detroit?
Yes, sir.
All right. 235. All right, so anything further? Anything further from any other part?
No.
Not for the people, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very well. All right, Mr. Gray, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck.
Have a great
you.
one.
Got dates?
Appreciate your latitude, Your Honor.
Very well. All right, have
Yes,
a good
sir.
day. Best of luck to you.